Hello, I use AI to copy this 100 million views monetizable animal rescue niche and it's so amazing. This channel over here is doing the same thing, and the most interesting thing is that this channel was created on the 30th September 2024. So this channel is pretty young and it's already having over 269 million views. That's amazing. If you check their short videos over here, the most popular videos over 30 million views, and almost all the videos are actually doing the same. They are getting a lot of views in millions, and this actually is AI generated images. Most people want to find out whether these channels are actually monetized. Yes, they are monetized. I check from this website and then I pasted the channel. You can see here the channel is actually monetized and it is perceived to be 100% original content, and it's doing so well, and we can also create that, and that is what I'm going to teach you in this video. So basically this is what they do. So they create videos about animals that have been rescued. It could be just any animals, and you can see that right here. If you come here, they do both long forms and short form videos, and I actually copied that strategy. Now with the ideas, what we're going to do is that it's going to be very simple. We're going to use ChatGPT to do everything. So we're just going to add ChatGPT what ChatGPT knows about the channel. So this is the channel name. Do you know about this channel? That's Arctic Sea Creatures. Do you know about this channel? Then we're going to say this channel is actually, so you're going to say this channel actually creates animal rescue videos. I want to replicate these videos in short form. Okay, so this is basically what we want to do. So ChatGPT is basically going to give you these ideas. Yes, I'm familiar with this type of content. So we actually going to paste this next prompt. So we are going to paste this second prompt. I want to replicate this video, and I want you to create a detailed image prompt to generate 7 scenes for the video of a whale being rescued. So we're going to use this. So when ChatGPT made a mistake and went ahead to generate the image instead, you can actually go ahead and say, give me prompt instead of image. So as you can see, we now have the scene up to 7. So we're going to generate these scenes for our video. So all we need to do is to go ahead straight and then copy the prompt. You can use your favorite image generator, but I would recommend you use the Peak Lumen image generator, and it's so amazing. All we need to do is to come to create, paste your prompt, just paste your prompt here, and then make sure you select. If you want to do long form video, then you can select the 16:9 aspect ratio. I want to do a short video, so I'm going to select the 9:16 aspect ratio. And here, if you're using the free version, you can only generate 2 images maximum at a go. If you want to generate 4 or 3, then you have to go for premium. Okay, so once this is selected, just come here. I'll show you what we'll do over here. This seed, I'm not going to use this. Once I generated the first image, then I'll show you what we can do over here. And then for this part, we are going to use the Peak Lumen at V1. So we're going to use this option. This is what we're going to use. Then click on generate. So this is actually the whale that's been stuck, and we're going to show you how this can be actually released back into the water. It's going to be a rescue mission. So the first thing we want to do is that let's select one of these images. We want the pattern to be the same. So we're going to copy this seed. We copy this. And then we're actually going to go back here. Let's go here and go to fix and put this seed here. We want the pattern for our images to be the same. So we're going to copy the next prompt for scene. The second scene. Go back to Peak Lumen, paste it and generate. So you can see now the whale has been rescued. This is the next image. So we have to download all this, but before that, I need to do this for all scenes. So I'm going to speed up this video and then generate the image for all scenes. Then we continue. So after generating all your images, you can see up to the final stage when the whale has been released back into the sea. All you need to do is to bring your cursor below and then download these images, which I've already done. I've downloaded these images already onto my PC. So I'm going to leave the link to the resources at the description of this video. As you can see, because we use the fix, that's the seed, the similarities are already existing between all our images. Now, once this is done, we actually need to animate these images. So if you look at this website, these images are not static images. It's actually showing that an action is ongoing. So we need to do that, and I'll recommend using Hello AI, and that is the best I've been using so far. We just need to go to create. If you go to create, we have image to video, text to video, and a subject reference. I've already created a video about the subject reference, and it's so amazing. I'll leave the link at the description of this video. But because we've already generated our images, we're going to use image toward video. So all we need to do is to bring our images here and then add some prompt to that. So these are my images that I've generated. All I need to do now is to drag my images to Hello AI. So this is where the image has been trapped. So this is where the whale has been trapped. So I'm first going to select this and then drop it here. You know, in order to get the best result, make sure you add a prompt for each scene to this, and it's going to give you a perfect result. So when the whale has been trapped, let's copy this prompt and then put it here, and it'll give you a better result. So just go down and then select this. It's going to take some time to process it to generate our video for us from the image. Our first video is ready, and you can see this is actually animated with the animal trapped right here. We're actually going to repeat the process for the rest. So all we have to do is to delete this and then bring the rest of the images. So after the animal has been trapped, the rescue team will now set in. So we'll drop the image of the animal being rescued. So the next stage is to actually add this, the next step when the animal is being rescued, and make sure you copy the right scene. That's the scene 2. So we're going to actually copy this prompt and then add it. And then go ahead and click on this. So the rest of the stages is going to be the same, and I'm going to fast forward it, and then when I'm done, I'll show you how to bring all this into life. So after all your videos have been generated like this, all you need to do is to bring your cursor down here and then click on download and download the videos onto your computer. So if you use Hello AI, you can just go to mine and you can download them onto your computer. Now the good part is about the editing. So we're going to use Capcut, and Capcut is free, so I recommend Capcut to you. I use Adobe Premium, but for the sake of this video, I'll use Capcut. Now go ahead and move all your videos to Capcut. So we're going to arrange them in that order. So the first is when the animal was spotted, and then when the rescue team went in to assist. So we're going to arrange the videos in that order. So when you arrange your videos, you can actually put in a transition between them. So just go to transition, and then you can drag any of these transitions, drop it in between the videos, and then so this is actually how our videos is going to look like. But this video need to come with some sound. So you can look for the wave sound. You can easily go to website, the Pizza Bay, and look for some sound effect. The initial stage, you could see that there are birds flying all around, so you can look for some sound of a bird and then you add. So this early stage, you can see what is going to happen. So I got this sound effect from Pizza Bay, and then I place it behind that, and after that you can look for any other wave sound, and then you can look for wave sound as well from Pizza Bay, and then add. They are royalty free. You don't need to attribute anybody for that. Here I look for some wave sound, and then I'll manage to actually add that. whale has been released into the water, and then we can look for the sound of a whale. You can So after the whale has been released, we can put the sound of a whale there. So this is the final work. So just go ahead and go to export and then export this video. So this is actually going to be the final video that we've created. If you want to, I'm going to leave the prompt actually at the description of the video. Whatever animal you want to use, just put the animal name there, and then ChatGPT will create that for you. I'll leave the link to all the resources at the description of the video so you can follow and then create the exact thing. Thank you so much. Let's look at the final work. So you can see in just about some few minutes, we've been able to replicate this video, and you can do as many as you see over here. You can easily copy the same strategy, not copying their video, but use the same concept to create your own video. And I can assure you, you're going to get a lot of views, a lot of subscribers within some short period. But you need to be consistent in order to get the results you want. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumb up, like, subscribe, and comment at the comment section of this video. Bye bye.